Hi everyone, Morgan here. I'm going to be making granola from scratch today. This is actually my first time making granola. Allison from This Prepared Life posted a little while ago her granola and I was like, yes, gosh dang it. I want to do some of my homemade granola. And I'm sorry if you hear any noise in the background, the dishwasher's running, but this is a basic granola recipe that I printed. And it's just a real basic recipe. There's so many things you can do with granola, but I'm just going to be doing this real basic recipe. Calls for 3 cups of oats, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. It says half a teaspoon of cinnamon, but I like cinnamon, so there we go. Is that enough? Yeah, that looks good. Oops, I thought I was recording. I put a little bit of salt in there. You see it? There's the salt. Now we're going to do a 1/4 cup of oil, some honey, and a little trick I've used in the past is I always use, if the recipe calls for oil, then I had to put honey. I always put the oil in first because it's mostly clean. See? The honey comes out nice and clean because of that oil residue left behind. All right, so at this point you're gonna spread it on the baking sheet with parchment paper. I have the oven at 300. We're gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes. And there it is, right out of the oven. It smells glorious. So we're gonna let it cool, and this is the granola. Beautiful. So at this point, the granola, I just put it in a bag. You can put it in a Tupperware or a mason jar or whatever. I'm just gonna keep it open so it can cool completely, and then I'll be able to use however my heart desires. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to you later, bye.